The shore power plug is located on the driver's side of the van. To plug in, lift up the protective cover and connect one end of the shore power cable to the van. The other end of the cable has an adapter attached. With the adapter, you can plug the van into a regular household outlet. If you remove the adapter, the cable can plug into a 30 amp RV outlet at a campground or RV site. A regular household outlet provides less power than a 30 amp RV hookup, so when you're plugged into a house outlet, please be mindful of power use. Avoid running high power appliances or too many devices at once. The household plug is best for basic charging and helping maintain the van's batteries, while a 30 amp hookup gives you more power for RV or campground use. Once the van is plugged in, you can check the electrical system on the touchscreen display. On the bottom left, you'll see the battery level. In this example, the battery is at 100%. Next, you'll see DC power. DC power runs things like the USB-A outlets, fridge, lights, heater, water pump, and other built-in van systems. You also see how much solar power is coming in. To access AC power, go to the menu, scroll down to Multi Plus. This is the inverter, and turn it on. Once the inverter is on, you'll have access to regular household style AC outlets. There are two AC outlets in the van, one near the bed and one in the back garage area. You usually do not need AC power unless you're charging something that uses a regular plug, like a laptop. Be mindful of power use, especially when running off the house batteries. The inverter itself draws extra power, so I usually leave it off unless I specifically need it. For most fan functions, like the lights, fridge, heater, water pump, and USB outlets, you can leave the inverter off. Once the inverter is on, you'll see the blue square in the center at the top of the display start to flash. And then the AC load will start to show output as well. Also, the red square on the left shows how much power is being drawn from the shore power. In this case, I have it plugged into my house. It's important to remember that you can't charge using shore power unless the inverter is on. The lights are controlled with turn switches and they are all dimmable.